Hey guys, curls and coils is what we're getting into today, courtesy of UNice Hair, so let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. My name is Stephanie. In today's video, we are getting into a unit from UNice Hair, and it is this gorgeous, gorgeous unit with a jerry curly texture. One of my absolute favorite textures, so yes, this is the unit. So let me go ahead and just jump right into the specs, provide you all the specs of this unit. I'll show you everything that came in the box with the unit. I already did co-wash this unit, so I want to show you that process of me defining the curls on this unit. And then we'll go ahead and install. So let's start with the specs. All right, so this is UNice's Bye-Bye Knots 7x5 lace closure unit. It is a pre-everything curly texture premium hair drawstring with finger coil ends. This unit is 20 inches long. So for the 20-inch length, 150% density, price is okay, it's showing two different prices. So either $179 or $169, just depending. So of course, if I do have any kind of promo code, I'll put that down there in the description as well. So this is a jerry curly texture. It has finger coil ends. Now, again, I did co-wash this unit, so it does look different than it did just straight out of the box. But I am going to show you what this unit looked like just straight out of the box. So color is a natural black, 7x5 Byebye Knots closure, 150% density. Fits head sizes from 18 inches to 24 inches because we do have that drawstring in the back of this unit. Has transparent lace. It already comes with the lace cut off, pre-plucked. Knots are already pre-bleached, and I love that the lace is cut off right there at the hairline, so there's no extra lace. It is 100% human hair, and yes, it can be dyed. So before we install, let me just show you everything that came along with this unit. All right, so here is the box that the unit came in. Inside the box, we have a pick, which I absolutely love that they sent this because I hate going on a hunt looking for my pick. So we will be utilizing this today. Also a satin bag that says UNice to help store my unit. Not one, but two packs of HD wig caps. A pink edge brush that also says UNice. And an elastic band with the Velcro on the back. And this one is super thin and really, really nice because again, we don't have a lot of lace on this unit. So this is gonna work out perfectly. All right guys, so I quickly wanted to just show you what this unit looked like just straight out of the box. As you can see in the front of the unit, the curls come in coils at the bottom, but the back it needs some work. So I knew immediately that I was gonna go ahead and co-wash and define those curls. So here's the unit after I wash and condition with Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner. Usually I start with defining the curls in the back of the unit, but I'm gonna start on the side. So I'm just bringing down a layer of the hair, clipping the rest out of the way, and I'm using my favorite product to define curls, which is Lotta Body Foam. And I'm combing through with my flat brush, aka a paddle brush, and it separates the curls. So I'm taking clumps of hair and just finger coiling around my finger at the bottom of the curl. Now, it's not going to look exactly how it did just straight out of the box, but this is how I define my curls on my curly units. So again, bringing down a layer of hair, applying some of that product, brushing through with the flat brush, and then separating out the curls and finger coiling around the bottom of the hair, so the ends of the hair. So I finished up this side and then I moved to the back of the unit. So again, just bringing down layers of hair and then finger coiling the bottom. And then I did the other side off camera. I prefer defining my curls on a mannequin head as opposed to on my head. That way that I can actually see the back of the unit and that I'm doing my process the correct way. Also, I just really do not like the feeling of wet hair on my head. So just define the curls and let it air dry overnight. All right, so now that you have seen me defining the curls on this unit, let me go ahead and take it off the mannequin head so I can show you the construction on the inside. All right, so this is a 7x5 closure, so 7 inches across, 5 inches back. There is no combs in the front, but we do have some C-shaped ear tabs. I'm noticing that maybe the front combs are going out of style. I've noticed that for the past few units that I have reviewed, there have not been any combs in the front. Interesting. So we do have the elastic bands on the inside of the unit, and this one is adjustable and you can remove it. Also, we have the comb in the back. We have adjustable straps, And then we also have a silicone piece to help adhere to our head all around. And let's just take a look at how stretchy the cap is. Really, really nice. So let's go ahead and put this unit on. And again, here's the C-shaped ear tab so you can get a better look. All right, so I do have on just a nude wig cap. I'm just gonna leave this on. And I am just gonna start by placing this elastic band around the back of my head. Turn around so you can see. And then pulling the unit down over that elastic band, installing this back comb right there in the back of my head. Now I am noticing that this unit does not have the drawstring. I thought that this one had a drawstring. I guess not. So let me adjust these ear tabs and adjust this unit on my head. And I will have to spray this down just a little bit, but this is the unit just straight putting it on my head. I'm gonna fluff it out just a little bit, just with my fingers. Okay, so let me go get some spray, and then we're gonna spray this unit down just right here in the middle. There's no point to spray the sides. Again, I do have a lower hairline, so my edges come almost down to my eyebrows. And so with this extra lace here on the side, I really don't need it. I could go for a 5x5 or a 4x4 closure, but lace stretches from here to here and then all the way back here. So let me go grab some products and then we will spray this baby down. So I actually just read through the specs again and it was my mistake. So the 7x5 closure unit in this style has no drawstring, but it also comes in a 13x4 frontal, and that one does have the drawstring. I went feeling around in the back thinking that I had lost my mind, but no, there is no drawstring on this unit, which is okay. Let's go ahead and spray this unit down, and look at this elastic band. This is very, very cute. Love this. Has the logo on there, some hearts. But I'm going to use some Sebastian hair shaper spray, and this is just a light holding spray. Again, there's not a lot of lace here in the front to work with, but I do kind of want to lay it down because as you can see, it's kind of just like bubbling up. My head size is really not the biggest, and so sometimes lace just needs a little extra assistance with laying down properly. So I'm just going to spray it just right here in the middle. I'm not even going to bring it over to the sides. And I'm going to just put this elastic band around the back of my head, just attaching that Velcro. Okay. And then, okay. All right, so bringing it up and just laying it right on that lace. And again, I'm not going to spray it on the sides or anything, just right there in the middle. Okay. I am going to get a little bit of powder and just put that right there in the parting space as well. And just Maybelline Fit Me in the color 330. But also just fluffing out just a little bit more. I feel like with this unit, with it being super defined as soon as you define the curls, that's nice and all, but the messier, the more natural I feel like. And the unit is just going to get bigger and bigger the more that you wear it. But let me also show you the ends of the unit. So I did try to mimic the little coils that it came with when I defined the curls. Because you're gonna have to wash the unit eventually. Even if you wear it just straight out of the box, you're gonna have to wash it eventually. So I did want to just show you how to define the curls and get them back popping again. So let me go grab my powder so we can put it right there in the parting space. All right, so I got my makeup, and just using an angled brush, I'm just going to brush right there in the parting space. And voila. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this elastic band. It's been about 5 or 10 minutes or so. And here is what we are looking like. All right, so here is the hairline. I'm also going to take just a little bit of my contouring powder since I have the elastic band on, and this is just Wet n Wild contouring powder, and just put it right here around the hairline. But voila, we are done. We are done. So I actually didn't even need that pick, but here we go. Okay, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn around so I can show you all angles of this unit. So no, I did not cut this unit at the bottom or anything like that. This is 20 inches on this unit. So front, of course, and side. And here is the back, fluffy and bouncy. Also with the co-washing process, only a few strands of shedding, nothing major. Other side. Close texture shot. And also those ends. All right, and front again. So that is pretty much it for this unit. So let me give you all a close-up again of this hairline. So just a little bit of light holding spray, and that is pretty much all that you need. But if your lace just, you know, melts right in as soon as you put it on, then you don't even need to do that. But since mine was just bubbling up just a little bit, I wanted to just melt it into my skin. But here we go. These curls are gorgeous. They're soft, they are bouncy, they are flowy. This is just a gorgeous, gorgeous unit. Gorgeous. Okay, so that concludes this video. I hope you all enjoyed. I'm going to put everything down in the description box below. A link to UNice's website, a link to this beautiful, beautiful Jerry Curly coiled in unit, and of course, if I do have any kind of promo codes, I'll put that down there as well. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send this to a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.